In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could play variant games here on chess.com on both PC and mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But what you're going to want to do is start on the chess.com homepage, whether it is the app or the PC version. Just keep in mind the app is going to have fewer variant options. Essentially, go ahead and select play over on this left-hand sidebar. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to go ahead and select chess variants, and then from here you can go ahead and customize it to whatever you like. For example, one of the most popular options is going to be this 4-player option right here. As you can see, there's literally 127 people playing it right now. You could go ahead and click it and choose really any variant that you'd like to play. You can change the settings for the variants as well. But whenever you're ready to start, simply go ahead and hit play. And obviously, it doesn't just have to be 4-player chess. This is just one that I had previously searched for in the past. There is so much stuff on here. Really, it's as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.